My name is Serif Hizli. I'm a chemist and I have been working in GD of Nature Conservation and National Parks in Turkey. As Nature Conservation General Directorate, we have some rehabilitation and restoration activities also. But before starting a project, we are trying to understand what is the problem of the area by the management plan. After we decide the problem of the area, we are preparing an active plan, and by active plans we trying to rehabilitate that wetland. I can say to the managers who are working at wetlands for rehabilitation and restoration, the first thing, they have to know their area very well. They have to know their biology, water quality, geology, and the past of the area. The second I offer them is talk with the local peoples and stakeholders. They learned so much information of the area from them. MedWet Wetland Managers Network is a good application for all countries in the basin, because we have similar problems, we have similar structures, and we can share our experiences and good results to overcome all the problems in the area.